Have a great day. Welcome again to this channel. Today, we are going to solve this explanation problem. 3 to the power of m squared all over 9 to the power of m is equal to 81. M is 1. So here's the solution. Let's select it down. Now, for 9 to the power of m and 81, we are going to write that in terms of 3. So that is 3 to the power of m squared all over 3 squared to the power of m equals 3 to the power of 4. The next is, we can multiply a power to a power. So that is 3 to the power of m squared 4 over 3 to the power of 2m equals 3 to the power of 4. And the next is, we are going to follow a rule. A to the power of x over a to the power of y is equal to a to the power of x minus y. For this, we can write it as 3 to the power of m squared minus 2m is equal to 3 to the power of 4. Now, they have the same bases, 3 and 3, which means that we can equate the power. So that is m squared minus 2m is equal to 4. Then we are going to take 4 to the other side, and that is m squared minus 2m minus 4 is equal to 0. The next is, this is a quadratic equation. Therefore, to find the value of m, we can use the quadratic formula. But before we use that, let's identify the values of a, d, and c. For a, that is equal to 1. For b, that is equal to -2. For c, that is -4. Now, we have the values for a, b, and c. Now, it's time to solve using the quadratic formula. Now, the quadratic formula is m is equal to -b, positive negative square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. And that is m is equal to negative, b is -2. So that is negative times -2. Positive negative square root of d squared, that is -2 squared minus 4 times a, that is 1, times c, that is -4. 1 over 2 times a, which is 1. And this is m is equal to negative times -2, that is +2. Positive negative square root of -2 squared, that is 4. And then -4 times 1, that is -4. -4 times -4, that is +16 or +16. 1 over 2 times 1, that is 2. And then next is m is equal to 2 positive negative square root of 4 plus 16, that is 20, all over 2. And then square root of 20, we can make that into 4 times 5. So that is m is equal to 2 positive negative square root of 4 times 5, 1 over 2. And this is m is equal to 2 positive negative square root of 4, that is 2, and then square root of 5, 1 over 2. The next is m is equal to, here we can identify the common. The common here is 2. Now 2 times 2 divided by 2, that is 1 positive negative 2 square root of 5 divided by 2, that is square root of 5 over 2. And then we can cancel this. So we have m is equal to 1 positive negative square root of 5. And we can have two values of m. First m is equal to 1 plus square root of 5. For the second m, that is equal to 1 minus square root of 5. So these are the final answers. First m is equal to 1 plus square root of 5. Second m is equal to 1 minus square root of 5. And that's all for today. For more videos, subscribe to Fun with Maths.